Hello and welcome to this tutorial about using CARLA simulator and Autoware Universe. It's been some time since Autoware Universe started to catch momentum, and a lot of people now trying to use it and replace the Autoware AI using the Autoware Universe. And one of the most important aspects about using autonomous driving framework is to be able to connect it to simulators. One of the most famous simulators and widely used is CARLA simulator, but it's not connected directly to Autoware Universe. In this tutorial, I will show how to the modification I have made to the 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 Autoware universe itself and the Open Planner Carla Bridge. If you check the tutorial for Open Planner Carla Bridge, it's totally similar to that. So you can take insight. You can check those tutorials also on my YouTube channel, Hatem Darwish. And also you can check this video which shows that Autoware Universe is working with Carla simulator. Um, so let's get started. First of all, I want to show where to find the stuff you want to use. I'm assuming you are familiar with the Autoware Universe. You downloaded, you can build the Autoware Universe. And you have some experience if you check the Open Planner bridge or the bridge I provide on at my repository. So first, Autoware Universe. There is a slight modification, very very small modification, which is to download the Open Planner or the the interface to the bridge for Autoware Universe, which converts mainly it converts some data types like a point cloud and transform point cloud to match the TF transformation for Autoware Universe. Okay, so you will go to Zatitech slash Autoware.universe.open planner. If you go to Zatitech directly on GitHub, you will find like only Autoware AI and Autoware Universe. Go to Open Planner um, directory. So, and this is the first step. Let's do this. We'll go to we'll get this repository. Um, I'll just go to repository, create a directory for the whole project. Carla Autoware Universe. Okay. And let's get this one. You follow the instructions how to install and how to build Autoware um, from the documentation. So nothing changes. And actually, there is a very, very minimal changes in Autoware. So you can use this bridge with the original. You can just pull the updates, any updates coming to Autoware Universe, and it will work. Unless there is a changes in the topic names and the definitions of the point cloud or image or IMU, nothing will break. Okay, and now I want to check this uh, which branch. I'm on the main, so get check out Open Planner branch. Okay. Now create, as in the documentation, a directory called src, and also per documentation, um, pull the repositories. So I can just go to Autoware Universe here, um, go to Autoware documentation, installation, and find the source based from source installation. And I already installed all that. I just import everything. It will download. So this is the only difference. It will download the Open Planner library, which is, if you are working with Open Planner, this is the place you will find all the updates coming for Open Planner for Autoware Universe. It's still under development, so you can see the folder structure, and some files are already ported from Open Planner in the Autoware AI to open to Autoware Universe. Okay. Okay. Now we finish this step. We downloaded. If you see, the only difference in the external, in Universe external, you will find that Open Planner here is downloaded. Where is that repository? You will find it also in the Zatitech GitHub. You will find Open Planner. It consists of the CARLA, OP CARLA Bridge, OP Global Planner, launch files, OP library, the core library, and OP Local Planner, and some utilities. There is nothing here in the library. You'll find some imported mapping functionality. Still nothing works. But you will find all the updates will be here. Okay, but what we care about now is this Carla bridge. Any format transformation from standard uh, topic or standard ROS formats will be um, done here. Okay, let's build this and check if it builds. Okay, follow the instructions and go.